Hello, dear friends. This is the phone support channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel before watching this video. And don't forget to leave a comment after watching. Thank you. And in this video, I want to show and tell you how to enable incognito on your iPhone. That is, you will have a private mode in Safari and you can look at any information. And after you close the window, the browser history will not be saved. How do you do that? It's very simple. You go into Safari, then you click on the Tabs button. That opens up a list of our tabs. And this is where we click the Tabs button. Now we see the button, Private, and we click on it. And that opens up Private Browsing Mode, and we click Plus. And now we can watch any information without saving browsing history. After this, we can close our tab and open Private, and press Tabs. And our previously opened tabs come back to us. When Private Mode is enabled, your browsing history will not be saved. And also, when you first decide to enable Private Mode, the app will ask you to enable Face ID or Touch ID. I think you'll be able to figure it out and not get confused. That's the easy way. That was the phone support channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.